Hello everyone, and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. If you open the phone app after the iOS 26 update and notice that the voicemail option is missing, you're not the only one. In this tutorial, I'll show you the fastest way to bring it back right away. But before we start with the process, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new tutorials I upload. So, when you're on the home screen, find and open the phone app and go to the Recent Calls section. Once you've done that, you will see 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner. Tap on them. If you don't see the voicemail option in the menu at the bottom of the screen, your layout is probably set to Unified. In that case, you can access your voicemail by tapping the filter below the Missed option, labeled Voicemail. Another thing you can do is restore the old layout by selecting Classic Layout. Once you do that, you'll see the voicemail option appear in the bottom right corner of the screen. And that's it. Quick and easy, right? If this video was helpful, leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my Smart Assistant channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.